Now we'll go for another line. This none is ray line. So if you click at draw, then we'll see they have option ray line, right? They have option like ray line. So what is ray line, or how actually ray line work? If I click here on ray line, it's telling us ray specify the start point. So if I click a start point, just see ray line are being creating in one direction with its starting point. Clear? It's starting ray line with one direction with its center point. So this is the basic difference between, and for our construction line, that is both way, and it is one way. That's it, actually the difference. So delete. And if you want to use command for that, just simply place RAY ray, then enter, and simply start working with that as per your requirement. Clear? So this is the way to use that 4 types of line actually.